If YouTube TV is showing the wrong time zone, your live guide, DVR recordings, and scheduled shows may appear at the wrong times. Here's how to fix it step by step. Step 1. Check your device's time settings. On smart TVs, Fire Stick, Roku, or Apple TV, open Settings and go to System, then Date and Time. Make sure the correct time zone is selected and, if possible, enable automatic time updates. On mobile devices, go to Settings, open Date and Time, and turn on Set automatically so your phone adjusts to your current time zone. Step 2. Verify your YouTube TV home area. Open the YouTube TV app, tap your profile icon, and go to Settings. Select Area and then Home Area. Ensure it matches your actual location. Remember, you must be connected to your home Wi-Fi to update this setting. Step 3. Restart the YouTube TV app. Fully close the app and reopen it. This refreshes your guide, recording schedules, and live channel timing based on the corrected time zone. Step 4. Disable any VPN. If you're using a VPN, disconnect it. VPNs can make YouTube TV think you're in a different region, which directly affects the time zone displayed in the app. After completing these steps, your YouTube TV live guide and DVR recordings should reflect the correct local time. If this helped you, like the video and subscribe for more helpful YouTube TV guides.